So let's talk about the difference between rigor mortis and the cadaveric spasm. So production, freezing and exposure to temperature above 65 degrees Celsius will produce rigor. Cadaveric spasm cannot be produced by any method after death. Mechanism, known reduction of ATP, and the mechanism is not known in cadaveric spasm. Predisposing factors nil. Sudden death, excitement, fever, exhaustion, nervous tension, etc. can cause cadaveric spasm. Any sudden death or excitement, fear at the time of death. What is the time of onset? 1 to 2 hours after death, the rigor mortis will begin, and cadaveric spasm instantaneously. Muscles involved, all the muscles of the body, both voluntarily and involuntarily, both muscles are involved. So first, heart muscles become rigid. Okay, then talking about the voluntary muscles, then your orbicularis oculi, that is the muscles of eyelid, will become rigor. Okay, usually restricted to a single group of voluntary muscles. The cadaveric spasm thing, these are usually restricted to a single group of voluntary muscles. Muscle stiffening not marked, moderate force can overcome it. Moderate force can overcome it. These are marked, very great force is required to overcome it. Very great force is required to overcome it. So here very great force is required to overcome it. So to go overcome it, great force is required because it's the muscle become very rigid. Molecular death occurs. Here the molecular death does not occur. Body heat, here the body will be cold and here the body will be warm. Electrical stimuli, muscles do not respond. Here muscles respond because molecular death has not occurred, so muscle will respond. Talking about muscular reaction, here the muscular reaction is acidic. Muscular reaction is acidic. Here alkaline. Cadaveric spasm mein alkaline. Medico-legal importance, it indicates time of death. Cadaveric spasm, it indicates mode of death. That is, it is suicide, homicide or accident. It will indicate the mode of death, whether it is suicide, homicide or accident. Okay, so it will indicate whether it is homicide, suicide or accident. Like cadaveric spasm, more commonly seen in cases of drowning, where while drowning the person, if the antemortem drowning was there, the person will grasp the things whatever they're in the water, like grass or stick, weeds in the water, so they will grab that, mud, all the things they will grab up, and that cadaveric spasm is there with some grass, root or mud. Okay, the freezing and exposure.